Good morning, lovely kids of APS. How are you all? Fit and fine? That's good. Children, we have done lesson number 1, nouns of your grammar book. और इसमें हमने 10 टाइप्स के नाउन को कवर किया है. चलिए रिकॉल करते हैं कौन कौन सी 10 टाइप्स को हमने कवर किया है. फर्स्ट इज कॉमन नाउन्स, proper nouns, abstract nouns, material nouns, compound nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, singular nouns, plural nouns, collective nouns. 10 types को कवर किया है हमने nouns की. I hope you all understood them very well. So let's enjoy the animation of this chapter. Animation will help you to retain the things for a long time in your mind.
Nouns. Hi children, today we will be studying nouns. But before we start, let us take a quick look at these sentences. The window is made of glass. Ram extended a hand of friendship towards his new classmate. Fog returns, delays flies. Here, window, glass, Ram, friendship, fog, flags, all these words are known as nouns. But wait, what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing and animal. Common and proper nouns. Common nouns are general name of things, people, places and animals. For example, mall, jeans, refrigerator, water are some of the common nouns. Proper nouns are specific names for things, people, places and animals and are always capitalized. For example, Ambulance Mall, Mumbai, Ananya. Abstract nouns. Nouns that name an idea, thought or a feeling which cannot be seen, heard, touched, smelled or tasted. For example, childhood, laughter, love. All these words cannot be recognized by any of our senses as they have no color, size, shape, sound, smell, flavor or texture, but we can feel them. Thus, any noun that escapes our senses is an abstract noun. Compound nouns. When two nouns join together to form another noun, it is called a compound noun. For example, football, telephone directory. Material nouns. Material nouns are the names of substances or materials that can be seen or touched and are ingredients for making things. For example, silver, gold, coal, etc. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are words which are used to describe a specific group of similar objects, people or animals. For example, a gather of geese, a flight of stairs, a clump of trees. Uncountable and countable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted are those nouns that cannot be counted in numbers and do not have a plural form. For example, 1 milk, 2 milks. It's wrong. 1 liter of milk, 2 liters of milk. Singular and plural nouns. Countable nouns have usually two forms, singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. For example, rat is singular, rats is plural. Wife is singular, wives is plural. Some nouns are single objects but are used as plurals. We use plural verbs with them. For example, spectacles, dogs, scissors, trousers. Some nouns end with S but are usually singular. We use singular verbs with them. For example, mathematics, politics, aerobics.
We will continue lesson number 1, nouns, and today I will explain you some exercises of this chapter. Dear children, look at this worksheet. It is given on page number 15 in your grammar book. Okay? I am going to explain this worksheet to you. Complete the given sentences using the material nouns from the clue box. आपको इस वर्कशीट में एक क्लू बॉक्स गिवन है. उन क्लू बॉक्स में जो वर्ड्स हैं उनकी हेल्प से आपने सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है. See the first sentence. In London, most of the houses are made of dash. लंदन में मोस्टली हाउस बने होते हैं किससे? क्लू बॉक्स की हेल्प लेनी है आपने और इस फिलअप को फिल करना है. नंबर 2, फूड विदाउट डैश इज कंप्लीटली टेस्टलेस. फूड बिल्कुल टेस्टलेस होता है. किसके बिना टेस्टलेस होता है फूड? सोचिए बेटा. नंबर 3, द डैश वी ब्रीथ is full of pollutants causing diseases like asthma and lung cancer. Number 4, dash are found inside a living creature called an oyster. Number 5, dash is used in pencils, paints and electrical इक्विपमेंट. पेंसिल्स, पेंट्स और इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट में किसका यूज़ किया जाता है? क्लू बॉक्स की हेल्प से आपने सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. नंबर 6, ही रोस्टेड द कॉर्न कॉब बाय हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम बर्निंग डैश. नंबर 7, पीपल इन साउथ इंडिया love wearing ornaments made of dash. Look at this next worksheet. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns to complete the sentences. आपने दिए हुए फिलअप्स को कलेक्टिव नाउन की हेल्प से कंप्लीट करना है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस देखिए. The naughty boy pulled a dash of grass and made a mess of the lawn. सोचिए बच्चे, ग्रास के लिए क्या कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज़ किया जाएगा? जब बहुत सारी ग्रास को इकट्ठा कर लिया जाए उसके लिए हम क्या कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज करेंगे? सेकंड, द डांस डैश performed brilliantly on the stage. Number 3, an angry dash of people gathered outside the gate of the minister. Number 4, the dash of sailors were ready to sail away in a dash of ships. सेलर्स के ग्रुप के लिए कलेक्टिव नाउन और शिप्स के ग्रुप के लिए कलेक्टिव नाउन आपने यहाँ पर लिखना है। नंबर 5, डैश ऑफ सिंगर्स sang in tune to the dash of musicians. Number 6, we saw a dash of camels walking across the desert in राजस्थान. कैमल्स के ग्रुप के लिए आपने कलेक्टिव नाउन को लिखना है. नंबर 7, लास्ट वीक माई मदर विजिटेड एन dash of paintings and purchased a few. Number 8, my brother has a fine dash of old stamps. Do worksheet given on page number 15 and 16. Now it's time for writing practice. Last time हमने लेटर J तक की फॉर्मेशन को सीखा था. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is letter K, capital K. And this is small k. Next is letter L, capital L and small l. This is M, capital M and small m. This is N, capital N, small n. This is letter O, capital O and small o. Take care of yourself, children. Bye.